Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to draw a cartoon rain cloud. So I hope you guys follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our storm cloud, we're going to begin right here in the middle and we're going to make our nice cloud shape. So to begin, I'm going to make a bump like this. And then the key is just to add more bumps all the way around here. You can make them all different sizes. You can make them big, you can make them small. You can do it however you want to. It's going to look better if you have different sizes in here. So we're just going to make some different little bumpy curved lines all around here. You can see I'm starting inside some of them. Some of these I start on the outside, just to make it look a little different. So all you want to do is just go right around here and add some different little bumps. Make them different sizes. And then bring them all together at the end. Now inside of here, I want to give my little storm cloud a face. So I'm going to begin right here. We're going to make a circle for one eye. I'm going to leave some space and I'm going to make another circle for the other eye. I'm going to try to keep them about the same size. Right underneath here, I'm going to add a little curved line and then a little curved line right underneath here. Inside of here, we're going to add a black dot for the pupils. Now, starting up here, let's make a diagonal line. Then we're going to make another line that goes down, and it's going to curve up to here. I'm going to make a little line that comes across, and then a couple little lines coming down, kind of like a mischievous little smile. Now right up here we're going to make him a little angry, so let's make a line that goes down and that's going to come back with a little line that connects. And then another one right here that goes down, it's going to come back and then up. I like to just color these little eyebrows in just to give them a little bit more detail. Now the tricky part, let's make the lightning bolt, since we're going to make a little thunder kind of lightning rain cloud. I'll begin by making a line that goes down. You can see it's kind of at an angle. Next we're going to go straight across. We'll go down again at an angle. Then we'll go straight across. And down again at an angle. Now, starting here, what we're going to do is we're going to make this come to a point, so we're going to go up. And you see I went higher than this line. We're going to go over. I'm going to go up. I'm going to go over again. And I'm going to go up like this. Now starting here, we want to make some little raindrops. So we're just going to make some little raindrops like this. All you do is make a line that goes down and then it's going to curve up. So the top is going to be at a nice little point. And I'm just going to make these all around here. So we're just going to put all sorts of different little raindrops coming down. You can put as many of these as you like. I'm probably going to try to do like an odd number of them just so it looks a little bit more interesting. And there you go, there is your drawing of a little rain cloud. Now you can always add extra little details in here. You can give them like a little line of up here. I might make a little kind of number sign up here to make him look like he's a little angry. But lots of little things you can do. But there you go. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.